Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie pastry. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small cubes. Also, have about 1/2 cup of ice water ready. These precise measurements are key for a perfect crust. Now, let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Add the cold butter pieces and use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Slowly add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing until the dough just barely comes together. Overworking makes it tough. After mixing, divide your dough into 2 equal portions. Gently flatten each portion into a disc shape, then wrap them tightly in plastic wrap. This step is crucial for a flaky crust. Place both discs in the refrigerator to chill for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 days. Chilling allows the gluten to relax, making the dough easier to roll. Finally, it's time to assemble your pie. On a lightly floured surface, roll out 1 chilled dough disc to about 1/8 of an inch thick, forming a 12-inch circle. Carefully transfer it to your pie plate. Trim the edges, leaving a 1-inch overhang. Fill with your prepared apple mixture, then top with the second rolled crust. Crimp the edges to seal and bake for a delicious pie.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.